Ready? Come up. Go out in the yard. There's another view of the crankshaft. You can see it a little bit better now. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. That's good stuff right there.
You record.
We got the front end off, so we're gonna start snatching everything off the motor, getting ready to pull it out. So for anybody out there that's running a single belt like I am, we had a big issue with throwing these belts, but we found if you'll stick some kind of something to take up the slack or the flap in the belt, once we did this, most of our belt problems went away. So unless your alternator's like this close, I would definitely build you some kind of bracket like we did. You can see back in there, it's pretty simple little bracket. All right, so we got the alternator off. Here's something I'll show you. It's a little trick. The alternator shimmed. Well, that one's falling off, but so the alternator shimmed with these washers to make sure the alignment is dead on. If the alignment's not dead on, the belt's going to walk off one way or another. And one of the things I do is when I pull this stuff off, I'll put zip ties on the end of these bolts, and it'll hold these washers in place so that I can keep all the washers where they're supposed to be, instead of me having to sit there and try to realign all this stuff back together again.
Oh, Billy.
That good stuff. Sweet. Grab looks tore up on the side. Didn't really hurt anything out of that. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's broke, but still, it's kind of cool. It didn't hurt the crank.
You can leave us messages just like Bradley and Kennesaw. I work at a mechanic shop and we put the station on every single morning.
Just trick flow, stock length, push rods, just upgraded hardened push rods. So head gasket, metal, I think it's Field Pro. I can't even remember what the name of it is. I think Field Pro is blue. Valves, stock, nothing special. The only thing I did when we were putting this head together is I think I lapped the valves, get them to seat. I didn't do anything other than that though. Pistons, 4/8 flat top style pistons. You can also see on the piston right here, there's the number. It's just a standard piston. We didn't bore it. We didn't do nothing to it. A buddy of mine run it through a ball hone. That was it. These are just Summit LS7 all stock lifter replacements. That's the logo that's on the pistons. I can't remember what the name of them is. It's just a stock style replacement piston, but they do really well. Alright, all my mains, you can see, all my mains are stock. In fact, I've even reused them because I've taken the motor apart before, and I put the same mains back in. I think if we would have put a set of heads on here and turned it up any more, them pistons and this cylinder probably wouldn't have got along too well. I want to say these are 862s. Let's see. Yeah. 862, just stock. If they've ever been shaved, I don't know about it. But with a set of 862s and a flat top, and the cam that I'm running, you're gonna have like 30 thousandths clearance when I clayed it. You know, give or take a little bit on that. That's way closer than what it should be, but we ran it, it worked. So yeah, stay tuned for the next motor.